After you take the tank off the bowl. Filming.
Okay, so after you get the tank off the bowl, we're going to want to remove this piece right here. It's a black rubber gasket. That's what I was talking to you about. And we're going to replace it with this. So it's just that easy. Oh. Alright, and then of course we're going to change out the filter, and you guys are aware of how to do that already. And we flip it over, and we're going to want to change this piece out, which is just the upper supply. We're going to have these hoses too, so we'll change these out too. Pause it. You're going to get a bag with 4 screws in it. It's up to you if you want to use these. You can just reuse the ones that are already in on the piece. You're not going to need this piece, so you can just remove this. Make sure it doesn't go in the tank. Alright, and then, so this is your upper supply replacement. First things first, we got to remove the old one. This just comes out just like so, and then it detaches here. I'll show you guys a little bit more in detail when I'm actually there, but it basically just rotates. And I think you guys are familiar with how to change that out too. I can't remember. Remove your 4 screws. Just gotta go a little bit more. There we go. Okay, like I said, you can keep the 4 screws and reuse them, or you can use the new ones. It's up to you guys. I think if they're really rusted out and they're in bad shape, obviously just replace them for time's sake. And then this part right here, just have to unloosen that. This is probably where it's going to be a little difficult just because of the tightness of the quarters. That comes off. Pitch it. We don't need to keep these old ones. Just throw it away. Attach the new piece. And just reverse the process, basically. If you want to reattach this to the bowl first to make this whole process easier, go for it. Also, you want to be aware of this rubber ring right here. Sometimes that'll stay down in the system. So you don't want to have 2 of those because it's going to leak. So just double check and make sure that you only got the 1 in here or attached to it. Alright, that's pretty much it. I think the rest is self-explanatory. You're going to want to reattach the screws. Reattach your quick connect hose. All these new ones are going to have the O-ring built inside of it. And I'll go over that with you guys too when we're in Boston or in Malden. Reconnect your quick connect hose, and I mean, like I said, the rest is pretty much self-explanatory, and we'll go from there. But that's pretty much the gist of it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.